Enhancing your CV is crucial for making a strong impression on potential employers, and ideal CV can help you get multiple job opportunities. So here are some smart tips to help you improve and stand out with your CV. Tailor your CV. Customize your CV for each job application. Highlight skills, experiences, and achievements that align with the specific job requirements. A tailored CV demonstrates your suitability for the role. Clear and concise formatting. Use a clean and organized format. Use bullet points to make information easy to scan. Use a professional font and ensure consistent formatting throughout. Strong opening statement. Begin your CV with a powerful and concise summary or objective statement that highlights your key skills and career goals. This can capture the reader's attention from the start. Showcase achievements. Instead of just listing job responsibilities, emphasize your accomplishments. Use quantifiable metrics to demonstrate the impact you made in previous roles. Skills section. Include a dedicated skills section that highlights relevant technical and soft skills. This section can quickly convey your capabilities to employers. Relevant experience. Prioritize relevant experience on your CV. If you have limited experience, include internships, volunteer work, or personal projects that showcase your skills. Education and certifications. Provide information about your educational background, including degrees, institutions, and graduation dates. Include any relevant certifications or training. Keywords. Incorporate industry-specific keywords in your CV, especially those used in job descriptions. Many employers use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to scan CVs for relevant keywords. Use action verbs. Start bullet points with strong action verbs to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. This makes your CV more engaging and dynamic. Include volunteer work. If you have volunteered for causes or organizations relevant to your field, include them. Volunteering can showcase your commitment and community involvement. Online portfolio or LinkedIn profile. Include a link to your online portfolio, personal website, or LinkedIn profile, where employers can explore more about your work and background. Professional email address. Use a professional email address that includes your name, rather than a personal or quirky email. References. Unless explicitly requested, you can simply state, "references available upon request," to save space. Be prepared to provide references if needed. Proofread thoroughly. Check for typos, grammatical errors, and formatting issues. A well-proofread CV demonstrates attention to detail. Keep it honest. Be truthful on your CV. Misrepresenting your skills or experiences can lead to problems down the line. Stay updated. Regularly update your CV with new accomplishments, skills, and experiences, so you're always ready for new opportunities. One page for early career. If you're just starting your career, aim for a concise one-page CV. As you gain more experience, you can expand to 2 pages. Remember that your CV is your first impression on potential employers. By presenting your skills, experiences, and achievements effectively, you can increase your chances of getting noticed and landing interviews. Do like, share the information, and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for such informative videos.